On April 12, 2026, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle matching the description of one reportedly involved in a recent shoplifting incident at Walmart.
Hey, how are you? Can you roll down the window for me? What happened over at Walmart?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Okay, they were calling saying that you guys stole a bunch of groceries.
I didn't steal nothing.
Okay, you got an ID on you? Is this your truck?
It's in my stepdaddy name, but it's mine.
Okay, cool. You got insurance on it?
Yeah, let me charge my phone up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I didn't steal nothing. That lady went over my stuff at the register. I'm like, I don't have to. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I paid for all my stuff.
Okay, that's fine. What all did you get?
Just simple groceries and stuff.
Okay, I got you. Whose car is it? You said?
This is my stepdaddy car.
What's your stepdaddy's name?
Sorry.
Okay.
Staying on top of the core concepts of sustainable investing can add value to your clients. Your
birthday?
No.
About how old is it?
55, maybe.
Okay, you work on that insurance for me?
My phone turned on right now.
That's fine. Once it gets turned on, just get it pulled up. In a minute.
Sorry, my car charger sucks. If you could
You're
just
good.
give me a second.
Yeah, that's fine. Who was with you when you were shopping?
Nobody.
Okay, it was just you?
It was just me.
Okay. Alright, that's fine.
I told him that other lady was not with me. Like, I was talking to her, but you get what I'm saying? I'm just a friendly person. She wasn't with me. I steal my stuff. I'm not, get the right person. Don't try to stop me and say, just because I'm speaking, that's like me being in line talking to you.
Right.
We were conversating and stuff.
Okay. Alright, well, they're getting it sorted out.
Charger and stuff, and I'm supposed to be going to get my kids, so I need to call them. You see my phone just...
Yeah, I got you. Do you have any sort of receipt or anything like that from Walmart?
No.
Okay. Is it like at home or something like that? Or did you not get one?
It flew out, Leah.
Okay, it flew out.
I don't never take receipt.
I got you.
I just turned my car back on because the battery...
I got you. That's fine.
I ain't finna run that. Look. I do have insurance, though. It's with State Farm. Maybe if I hold it like this. Okay, good.
Dispatch item 46. I just watched a car rear-end another car at Oakland and Stockholm. You might get a call for that here in a second.
Like, do they want me to come back up there?
I don't know. We got to get that sorted out. There's 2 cops over there talking to them right now and getting it sorted out. So I'm going to hang out here with you until that's taken care of.
I'm finna say, it's through State Farm. I just had to get it.
Alright, you're good.
Yeah. Oh, shit, it just died again.
It's fine. I saw it. Alright, just hang tight here. I'll be back with you in a minute.
Damn, my phone. I need to call the Crisis Nursery. That's where my kids at.
Oh, I got you. You're headed over there?
Yeah, to get my kids. I mean, I could go back up there, but I was rushing to my kids. Like, I paid for everything.
Is that like a babysitting thing? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Just hang tight here.
I was gonna say, I'll go right back up to Walmart, but I need to, you know what I'm saying, get my kids.
Were they like trying to talk to you at Walmart? And like
he said...
exactly how'd it go?
I'm walking out, and I'm on the phone, and he was like, oh, I need to check and make sure you scanned everything. I'm like, I scanned everything, and I kept walking.
Okay.
He just walked back in the thing. I'm like, what do you mean? Since, like, I tried to get a receipt to the lady at the door, the lady was coming to the machine with me.
Yeah.
Scanning her thing, double checking the stuff.
Okay.
The lady at the kiosk.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll get it sorted out.
Okay. Is there any way you could call them, the Crisis Nursery?
And let them know what?
I'm pulled over.
Just hang out here. Hey, what do you guys got? Okay. Who is she? Who do you have? Okay. That's the card she used? Okay. Is it just like a really big black female with braids? Oh, cool. Alright. Oh yeah, that's what I got. Yeah. Alright. You want to just hook her and then I can do your tow sheet and everything like that? Okay. However you want to do it.
Okay.
I'm Officer Busfield. I got my body-worn camera going. Can I have you turn the car off and step out and speak with me in the back of the truck, okay? Okay. So, are you Darnisha?
Yeah.
Okay. So I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for retail theft from Walmart, okay?
But I didn't take nothing.
Okay. I'll explain some more of this to you here in a second.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I make a phone call then and tell them?
Give it a sec. I'm going to talk to you about the process for a second, and then we can do that, okay? 54, I got one in custody. All right, we're going to go to the back car, okay?
Okay. Will this be like an in and out process?
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
Okay, because I got to get my kids from the crisis nursery.
Okay. So give me a sec, actually. Just go ahead and take a seat. I'm going to read you your Miranda warning because I have you in custody, okay? All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish, and you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
Yeah.
What happened up at Walmart?
I was moving fast, like I said. I scanned everything. So if something didn't get scanned, it's only because I've doubled up and I'm scanning. That's why the lady kept coming over there. So I don't understand what I took.
Okay. So when I reviewed the surveillance footage, you purchased, I think there was 2 packs of ground pork or something.
Yeah, I scanned
along with another thing of meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you packaged both of those.
Yeah.
You scanned one. So you didn't scan the second
twice.
one. They said that was what was happening with multiple stuff. Do you have the receipt that you got from Walmart?
It's in my house, but I scanned that stuff twice. So I'm just not trying to see how I did it. You get what I'm saying?
Okay. So I watched the footage. You scanned the pork, and it went right into the bag. You didn't have, it wasn't like 2 swipes of it and stuff like that.
And if that happened, it's because I was on the phone and I'm just moving fast because there's a lot going on right now. So I'm just moving fast. My granddaddy in the hospital. I'm trying to get my kids. I'm trying to pick my kids up and get there. So I'm just on the phone. That's why I'm talking. And I'm just moving fast. I got linked. I went initially stole something.
Okay. When you were leaving the store, did somebody come up and try to talk to you?
He did, but I'm on the phone and I'm like, man, I scanned everything. I'm trying to get to my granddaddy. Okay. I didn't. You get what I'm saying? If I come in that store a million times a day, literally a million times a day. So if I didn't scan something, it's only because I was moving fast and I'm trying to get to my granddaddy. I could come up there and pay for the stuff. It's not like I intentionally just stole. I never have stole nothing in there. I never have had this problem in there. That's why I didn't understand today. But I'm just moving fast, trying to get up out of there.
Okay. So if there was a problem, that's what they are trying to stop you and figure out with you. When you left,
in my mind, you get what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to my granddaddy.
I get you.
I ain't never had that happen before, so I'm like, nah, he tripping. You get what I'm saying? Like,
why they're thinking that you stole stuff?
Yeah,
because they had you scan one and put it away. You could have said, hey, this was a mistake. I'm trying to scan multiple. Can I pay for it? But then they tried to stop you. And you say you're too busy. You got all that stuff on your phone. My granddaddy is on life support, so I'm trying to get to him. That's why I'm like, no, it can't be me. I scanned all of my stuff. I always scanned all of my stuff. I would have paid for it. I got linked. Like, come on, this is silly. Okay, so where are the groceries that you did purchase?
They at my house.
At your house? Same with the receipt?
I don't have the receipt.
Okay. You just told me that you left the receipt at the house.
I'm saying, I don't know. It could have flew away. It could be in the house. I don't know. I don't keep up with the receipts.
Okay.
You delivered the work days ago. Your client paid, but the money is still stuck between banks and the fees.
So, all the stuff that you purchased is left at home right now?
Yes.
Okay. Did they get your driver's license from you?
No.
Do you have your license on you?
Oh yeah, he got my driver's license.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Where do you live at?
Around the corner.
All right, give me one quick second, okay?
Okay, like I could pay for the stuff.
Okay. Give me a sec, all right?
Yeah, dude, as I was sitting here, a car just rear-ended the fuck out of another one right next to me.
I saw him sitting there.
Yeah.
Did you have her ID?
Yeah, got her ID and her phone. Take those with you. It's dead. And then cannabis, the devil's lettuce.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Big drug bust, boys. Big bust.
All right. Darnisha, I'm going to have you step out. I need to search you before I put you back in the car.
Okay.
Should have done that beforehand, but...
That's cool.
Do you have anything on you that's sharp, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Do you have pockets on those clothes? Okay. So I'm just going to check around the waistband, make sure that you don't have anything, okay?
Okay. I want to go get.
I mean, they do want their property that wasn't paid for back, but it's over at the house already. And no one else is there to do it. But so Walmart does want to press charges for the products that weren't paid for. So we're going to take you over to the jail. You're going to be processed and then released probably with a notice to appear on a different court date, whenever that is. I'm not sure off the top of my head. And then somewhere around there. And then they'll release you with that notice to appear, okay?
What about my car?
So your car is being towed.
Why though?
Because it was used in the commission of a crime, and then there's no one else here to drive it.
I got somebody that could come. You know what?
The first part is also the reason why, because you drove off with it while they were trying to stop and talk to you. But I don't even know if the crime was committed. That's what I'm saying. Like, okay, well I'll give you a piece of.
Can we call? Can you see if they get their stuff back and I pay for it? Can they not press charges?
So
can you just ask them?
We talked to them, and before I even finished with that report, I said, "Do you want charges for the property taken?" And they said, "Yeah, they want to press charges because you passed the last point of sale for it."
We run into that all the time. There's a lot of people that get caught, and then they offer to give the stuff back. But
I didn't even know I was stealing the stuff. It's not like the stuff wasn't getting scanned. That's what I'm saying. I was moving fast. My granddaddy on life support. Mm-hmm. So I'm on the phone. I'm moving fast. It's not like I'm being sneaky, throwing stuff in the bag, tossing stuff in the bag. That's what I'm saying. Like, I honestly was not aware that I was not scanning the stuff.
Okay.
That's the whole thing. But if I'm finna get charged with it, it don't make no sense for them to get the stuff back. They charging me.
Well, they're charging you with the crime, but they still have a right to get their property.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and take a seat back in the car, okay?
I need my keys. They got my... So how much is the tow?
So it'll be a $410 tow from Joe's Towing.
To get the car back. I got stuff that I need to get out the car.
Like what?
My daughter's stuff, my purse, my stuff in the car.
Okay. Well, if you need something like your purse, I can take that out and bring it with you. But we can't have you bring like all the kids' stuff from the car to the jail or anything like that.
This is crazy, and I didn't even commit a crime. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Is there any way y'all could call them back one more time? Because I didn't even know that it's not like I was throwing. I could see if I was throwing the stuff in the bag. I didn't even know it didn't get scanned. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Like, I was just moving fast because my granddaddy on life support.
I get you, but like I said, they tried to stop you. You didn't stop to explain the situation. You passed the last point of sale.
Yeah, because so I had scanned everything. I didn't. You didn't. I did though.
If you did, they wouldn't have called us, and I wouldn't have seen on the video that you scanned it one pork and put 2 in a bag.
So what is this, like $20 worth of stuff?
Their estimate was about $100, but because you left with stuff, they don't know exactly. They're trying to figure that out.
It wasn't no $100 worth of stuff.
Okay. Well, Darnisha, need to take a seat.
Do you have my phone?
Yep, I got your phone. You're